Hi, Amy Harrop here, and if you're thinking about designing your own card deck, in today's video I'm going to be sharing 4 tips for you to make this process much faster and easier. So card decks are easy to design and quick to sell, so you don't have to be a professional designer to have a professional looking card deck. So the first thing you want to do is you really want to think about what your vision is. What are you doing with this card deck? Is it a companion product to maybe a book or a course you already have? Are you getting into a new audience? Are you growing your coaching and consulting business? So with your card deck, in addition to the purpose of that, are you going to be inspiring people, entertaining people, educating people? So those types of card decks will look very different from one another. Now, you do need images, but you really want to make sure that you have print-ready images. And that means that you need to have at least 300 DPI in most cases. Sometimes if you have a good image, you can get away with a little bit less. It depends, but 300 DPI is the standard. And that means you need to look for print quality images. Regular computer graphics are only at 72 DPI. And so if you're working in PowerPoint, you want to make sure your default resolution is high enough. And a lot of times when you're working in design programs, they'll give you the option to save at 300 DPI. So you just want to make sure that you are able to do that. So you need to have some stuff that's visually appealing in terms of your images and fonts when you actually get to the design part. So you want to make sure that you have attractive images and fonts, and you also want to make sure that you have the rights to use this. So fantastic way to do this is to just go and use sites that give you rights to use the content as you wish without being restricted with the licensing. So Pixabay is a favorite. You can get tons of illustrations and vectors there. If you're looking for more like clip art or cartoon style images, Open Clip Art is great. And also Public Domain Vectors has very clean, nice vector looking images as well. Now, fonts are also really important. They can really make or break a card deck. You might not have been thinking about fonts that much, but having a great font is really going to make your deck stand out. So some of these here are the Hungry JPEG is really popular, Creative Market, and also Font Squirrel. Now, Font Squirrel has free fonts for commercial use, so you might want to try that one first. Creative Market and Hungry JPEG, most of those you'll pay, although they do often have free fonts. Again, you just want to take a look at the licensing with those. And when it comes to card decks, one size doesn't fit all, so you want to be thinking about your size. Common sizes are based on playing card sizes like poker, which is the average card deck size, and then you can go up bigger like with tarot size, but you can also go small. Small mini sizes have also been very popular as well. So what you want to do is you want to maybe see what types of card decks are popular to yours in terms of looking at the price range, the size, and the number of cards. So you can use that to sort of put together yours, because that's going to determine how expensive your deck will be based on the size of your deck and how many cards that you have in it. So if you'd like to learn more about creating and selling card decks, I recommend my training with Deb Drum, Card Publishing Live. We basically show you everything you need to learn on how to create and publish card decks. And a lot of it's over-the-shoulder training, and you get a lot of bonus content as well. So go check out the link below, and this is going to be a fantastic way to get involved in this really popular low-content publishing product.